This video will show you how to add a new page to your website. First things you need to do is log into your website. You'll know that you're logged in because this black content management bar will appear at the top. Only you as the website admin can see this. People who visit your site will never see this. You'll also know you're logged in because these gray edit buttons appear everywhere above text on the website. And you can just click this to edit the text below. To create a brand new page though, we can go here and click on Pages. And this will show us a list of all the pages we already have. So if we want to make a new one, just go down here and click Add Page. And here we'll notice there's this thing that says General Settings. Now there are a lot of settings, but the only thing you're concerned with here are these first three. The rest don't really matter. So page name, this is just for your reference. No one else will see this, but you could type in whatever you want, like Our Services, for example. Now the page title, this is your HTML title tag right here. So what appears like right there, for example. So it's really important for SEO purposes. So give this a good name that really is meaningful. And if you want, you can just click like right there and it'll copy the text from there into there. We'll just click this little icon and it copies it. And same thing, friendly URL. This is going to make an actual physical name of the actual page it's making. So if you could type in whatever you want, it's also important for SEO purposes. Or just click this little icon to copy it from there to there. All these other settings just ignore and leave them how they are. If there's something you're not sure about, you could hover over this icon next to it. It'll tell you what that means, like what this box means. You just hover over it. If you scroll down a little bit, you'll see there's a section that says SEO stuff. This lets us set the keywords and meta descriptions for this page. You can always come back and do this later, of course. And at the bottom, just hit Save once you're done. Now it's going to let us add some content to the page. So we can just type in whatever we want. And of course, just like in Word or when you're writing an email, you have things like bold and underline you could use. You can use this style drop-down to do header titles and such like that. You can do bullet lists. If you'd like to add a link to something, you could, for example, type click here, highlight the text, and go up here to the link icon and click on it, and just type in wherever you want it to link to. Of course, you could also cut and paste. And also, if you want to stick an image, just click on the little image icon. It'll let you browse the server to see if you already have some photos you want to use, or you can click Upload and upload one. Once you put in all the text you want, go ahead and hit Save. And of course, you can always come back later and change this again. So it shows our page, but you'll notice the page did not automatically show up in the menu. So our system gives us complete control over that. We'll go over here to Menu. And it shows here's the menu, how we have it. These items that are kind of nudged in are a drop down. So if we wanted to not make that a drop down, we just nudge it back with that arrow or in with that one. We're going to go ahead and add menu item. We'll say our service, we'll call services. And we could choose internal page. It's a page already on the website. External page, if we want to just type in a URL of where it's going to go to, and it says we have the option of a brand new window opens or it does it in the same window. We're going to go with internal page and just click choose. And there's our services. Just click on it, and now we hit Save. And we'll see it says Menu Saved, and we'll see the item we just made shows up right there. To put it in the order we want, we're just going to grab that little green icon and kind of drag it around to where we want it to be. We'll kind of put it down here at the bottom, and then go ahead and hit Save. And it says Menu Saved, so now we'll click here on View Website. And this shows us our website, and there's our link to services.